Arise, O mighty steed, return from the dead.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yes! My creation is complete. Now I can ride you.
I can't move.
What do you mean you can't move? I resurrected you. I did ancient forbidden magic for this.
I have no animations. I am not even rigged. I'm basically a floating mesh. Just a lonely 3D shape suspended in space with zero purpose or functionality beyond existing as geometry.
Okay, easy. Hey you game dev, take him to Mixamo. Quick rig.
We can't. Mixamo is for humanoid characters.
What do you mean? I wasted ancient soul energy for nothing?
This is a quadruped. 4 legs. Mixamo doesn't understand horses. It'll reject it like a broken asset import.
So, what now?
We go to Blender.
And we grind our ass.
I regret being resurrected.
Okay, drag and drop your horse model into Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences. Open the Add-on section and make sure Rigify is enabled. Now press Shift-A, then go to Armature. You'll see many different options. For example, in the Animals tab, there are armatures for different types of animals. Most of them are very detailed, so I'm going to choose a basic quadruped. Press S and move the mouse to scale it. In the Data tab, go to Viewport Display and enable In Front. This allows you to see the bones through the model. Now, to modify the bones, use S to scale, G to move, R to rotate. Let's start by switching to Edit mode. One very important thing. If you miss this, the rig will not be generated properly. There are 2 bones you need to be very careful with. The first one is this bone. As you see, the bone is attached to another bone. If you move it away using G, these little dots appear. Congratulations, you just broke the connection the rig depends on. So don't do that. Instead, select this bone, hold Shift, select the connected bone as well. Then press G to move them together, or R to rotate them together. For the other bones, it's fine to align them individually to match your mesh. The second bone you need to be very careful with is this bone. Don't detach it either. Select it, hold Shift, select the connected bone, and use G to move them together. Align all the other bones normally. For the arms and legs, you can use this icon to mirror the bone adjustments if your model is symmetrical. When you're done, return to the object mode. Before generating the rig, do the following. Select your mesh and press Ctrl-A, then all transforms. Do the same thing for the meta rig. This ensures that both objects have the same scale, position, and rotation. Now go to Data, Generate Rig. You can hide the meta rig because we don't need it anymore. Next, select your mesh first, then hold Shift and select the generated rig. Press Ctrl-P and choose with automatic weight. And that's it. If you select the rig and switch to pose mode, you can select each control curve and use R or G to rotate or move it. The mesh will follow the rig automatically. If your horse has extra objects such as this bridle, they may not be rigged correctly and might require some manual adjustments. Select your mesh and switch to weight paint mode. Select the bone closest to the bridle and paint the affected area of the mesh. Done. It's fixed. You can animate your horse directly in Blender, or you can do the animation in Unity. I show you both ways. To animate in Unity, export a model and import it into Unity. Create a new animation. For example, I made this simple idle animation. For the running animation, you can look up horse running references on Google and you recreated the same motion pattern inside Unity. Another approach is to animate the horse directly inside Blender. To do that, move the bones into a pose on a frame. Then press A to select everything and I to insert a keyframe. For example, this is how I created a simple running animation. If you want to create a new animation, open the DOP sheet and switch it to Action Editor. Click New, give the animation a name if you want, and start animating your horse. Once you're done, export the model and import it into Unity. As you can see, the animations are imported as well. Now simply create an Animator controller, assign your animations to it, and attach it to the horse. Done!
It moves.
Yeah, I've been upgraded.
Now you are truly alive. You shall become my war beast.
Next time, don't resurrect things you can't rig yourself. I have become a walking testament to their negligence and incompetence.